Hello guys, this is Shubham Agrawal, and in this video I will tell you how to get contacts, or I will provide you contacts for businesses that you can go ahead and contact. Okay, if you have purchased my course like AI bots course, or if you have purchased my list, good for you. I mean, it's the course is, I believe, is really good, and the list is also very comprehensive list of 4 million URLs. But this video is a different topic. Okay, in this video I will give you over 1 million database. Okay, US business database. So suppose I am looking for Alaska. Okay, I just go in here and I just select any Excel file, and as you can see, this is loading, and this is the list of all. Like I've got like each Excel file has got like 5,000 business contact details, so it's like 25,000 per state, and it's like 50 states in US. So you are getting roughly over a million plus business contacts. Okay, in this you will get like emails. You can use these emails to contact businesses. Okay, you are getting phone numbers of these businesses. As you can see, these are the phone numbers of these businesses. Contact the company name, you're getting their emails, you're getting the phone number, you're getting their location also, and if you are into fax, you're getting that too, and you're also getting their website addresses. Okay, now you can use these website addresses and just import them in your GSA website contact. Okay, just click on new, click on anything, click on OK. Just let me go here, right click and click on import URLs from file from clipboard. Just copy all these URLs from here and remove the nulls ones. You can always remove the nulls and just import them in your GSA website contact. With this way you can contact them using GSA website contact. If you have watched my past videos, I have showed you how to send unlimited emails for free using just Gmails. You can contact them, you will need multiple Gmails. Okay, so you can do that too also. With them you can just contact these businesses. There are like 5,000 emails alone here, and like every state is covered here, and each state I'm giving you roughly 25,000 ish businesses complete with their contact details. Okay, three is okay. Let me just open a different one. Yeah, as you can see, you are getting a full-fledged list of businesses in USA. But if some of you are like, Shubham, what are you charging? I'm not charging anything. This is completely free for you all. I actually paid for this list, but I am giving this list for free. But if some of you are not into USA and you want a different country, I am also providing a list of similar list like this, but of UK, United Kingdom. So you are getting roughly 1.5 million database of businesses. You can easily just use these emails and contact those businesses that you want to sort. Suppose, let me just check the industry names. Okay, this is the SIC description here. Let me just click here and click on sort. Let me click on filter. As you can see, let me just click here. This is the list. Okay, you can just select whichever one you want, and it will just give you the contact details of that particular niche that you're trying to target. So like you're getting a million business units of USA and over 450k of UK. So it's very good. Now if you think I have provided any value, you can always go ahead and purchase my course or maybe my list. You can the link to download this database for free, like this database, I have uploaded it on Google Drive. The link will be in the description and the first comment of this video. You can go ahead and download it, request access to it, and I will approve it. Okay, if you have any problems, feel free to comment in the comment down in the video. I will check and answer your problems. Okay, this is again Shubham Agrawal from Agrawal Bros, and in this video I provided you 1.5 million USA UK database, business database for free. Okay, thank you.